Good morning. Today I want to model this simple part in Solidworks. Hope you learned something, and don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Okay, now let's open a new part file. Got that. Now start a sketch of the front plane. Sketch a circle of radius 24 or diameter 48. Now just draw these two lines like chords. One here, another line there. Now make sure they are horizontal. Sure they are. Now dimension from this line to the center, that should be 20, and between the lines themselves the distance is 40 millimeters. Lovely. Now let's trim the outside, trim the outside and the outside. Now we got a fully defined sketch. Let's close the sketch. Just keep it neat there. Close sketch. Make an extrusion of 10 millimeters. Make sure that you go the other direction. 10 millimeters. Okay, that's your first solid there. Make a sketch on this face. Sketch a circle of 28 millimeters diameter. Close the sketch. Extrude to 34 millimeters. 34. That's great. Now call in the hole wizard because we're going to put on a hole here, a tapped hole. I've used this before, so my settings are already there. It's an M20, 1.5 pitch. Position, the whole mask go through all. Position here, mark it, put on the center, and it goes right on. That's your hole. Now make a sketch on this face. Make a circle of 22 millimeters diameter. 22. That's okay. Close sketch. Extrude cut up to 10 millimeters. Now you need a same cut on the other side. So you use the sketch. Extrude. Now you're going to be extruding from a specific surface. Pick this surface. Change direction. Like another 10 extrusion. Cut. There's your cut. Then make a sketch on this face. Draw a construction circle of 38 millimeters diameter. Make construction. Now on this quadrant put a circle of 5.5 millimeters. Now we're going to use a circular sketch pattern to get 8 of these. That's right. And now just to define this here now, just pick this line, a circle, and that center, make it coincident. Make sure that this and that circle are horizontal to each other, fully defined. Now we only need 6 of these, so make these 2 construction, then they won't be part of the drawing. Close sketch, extrude cut, and condition up to next. Lovely. I got our 6 holes. Now let's put some chamfers, 0.5 by 0.5 degrees. Pick this face. The face takes everything, takes care of the whole thing. This face and the back face. Now this picking face takes care of all the edges one time. It saves a lot of time. And you get that. Now we need to get this hole that's coming down in an angle. Just open the sketch on his face. Draw a line at an angle. We'll define this later. Now draw a construction line straight to the quadrant. Now the angle between the construction line and our line here should be 22.5 degrees. Fully defined. Close the sketch. The sketch will assist us in making the plane because the plane needs to be at a 22.5 degree angle. Now make a plane, pick our new line here, and then pick that point. There's your plane there. Now make a sketch on this plane. Draw 2 circles, diameter 5 and a diameter 6. Lovely. Now make sure that this circle lines up vertically with the center of that part there. That's right up. Also line up with the origin horizontally. Fully defined. Close sketch. Now I need to make an extrude cut on this sketch. Now I got 2 open contours, so just select the inside one, change direction, just remove this one. Now I'll change direction and extrude through all. No, not from there. From there through all, that makes one hole. Now the other hole is like a counter bore, so it's gonna use the same sketch. Pick the sketch from the top list there. This time we're extruding straight up and change direction. We're extruding from an offset of 14 millimeters to get that counter bore. Now through all extrusion. Lovely. And I'm gonna hide that plane. Top plane, make a sketch. Make one circle 3 millimeters. Make another circle inside, also 3 millimeters. Okay, make the circles equal. Both holes 3 millimeters. Now, make sure they are also vertical, aligned vertically. Distance from here to this circle should be 2 millimeters. Same on this side, 2 millimeters. Lovely. Let's let this 2 millimeters, sorry. Close sketch, extrude cut through all both. Lovely. Let's just hide that sketch there. Our part is now finished. Beautiful. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.